Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman is all set to announce the third tranche of the government's mega economic relief package today. According to media reports, the focus will be on the hospitality sector. The hospitality sector has been severely hit in the wake of the nationwide lockdown since March 25th. The entire sector continues to urge the government for fiscal support as their operations are strictly prohibited due to the lockdown orders. Delhi witnessed its highest single-day spike of COVID-19 cases with 472 recorded yesterday. As per media reports, the surge takes the city's COVID-19 tally to 8,470. Before this, the highest number of cases recorded in a single day was 448 on May 7 last. Delhi bridged the highest single-day spike in case numbers for the fourth time in May, according to media reports. From just over 3,500 COVID-19 cases recorded till April end, the numbers have shot up, with nearly 4,500 cases being recorded in the city in just 14 days. Maharashtra police today said that 1,061 personnel of the force, including 112 police personnel, have been tested positive for COVID-19 so far, a media report said. Out of the total infected police personnel, 174 have been cured while 9 others lost their lives. Global deaths due from COVID-19 have now crossed 300,000 while confirmed cases of coronavirus infections are nearing 4.5 million, according to Reuters. India's tally of COVID-19 cases is nearing 82,000, including 2,649 deaths, according to the Union Health Ministry figures released this morning. 4 nurses from Manipur working in Pandamed Hospital at Delhi's model town have been tested positive of COVID-19. According to our Delhi correspondent, the 4 nurses are staying together in a rented accommodation in the national capital. Talking to our correspondent over the phone, one of the guardians of the patient said they all have quit job but not able to come home due to the situation. She urged the government to look into their plight. Manipur recorded a fresh case of COVID-19 yesterday after a 31-year-old man who returned from Mumbai tested positive for the virus. Official sources said that COVID-19 patient is the son of the Manipuri woman who succumbed to the virus in Mumbai on May 6. The 31-year-old from Imphal East district arrived in the state on Wednesday by road in private vehicle. He was accompanied by 4 others, including his father, who is a cancer patient. The patient has been evacuated to isolation ward of Jennings Hospital. An official statement from the Manipur Health Department said that contact tracing and active surveillance in the containment zone has begun with immediate effect. A team of Imphal West Police under the aegis of Superintendent of Police Imphal West detained more than 50 persons for defying COVID-19 curfew and lockdown rules at Kwakatel in Imphal today. Sat Kartar Seva Manipur and Yoga Niti Society Manipur Oinam branch today jointly held an awareness program on COVID-19 at the hall of Royal Academy of Law Oinam. At the occasion, essential edible items were also distributed to selected 60 media persons working at different media houses in Bishnupur district. Sat Kartar Seva patron member Ranbir Singh Garcha, Yoga Niti Society Manipur Oinam branch founder and principal of Royal Academy of Law Oinam, I. Jugeshwar, and several others attended the event. Residents of 4x1 Kongpal Khetri Laikai Porompat Girls School Mani Laikai and BJP Khetrigaon Mandal Mahila Morcha today handed over Rs 15,700 and Rs 20,000 respectively to Khetrigaon Assembly Constituency MLA and Indrajit as monetary aid towards Khetrigaon Assembly Constituency COVID-19 Relief Fund. The aid was extended at the residence of MLA and Indrajit located at Thambal Khong Sabal Laikai, wherein residents of Porompat Girls School Mani Laikai and members of BJP Khetrigaon Mandal Mahila Morcha took part.